Hey man, I honestly don't give a fuck, you feel me, bro? Niggas out here hating and shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been so long since you've seen my face. I know I just posted an update video with the Sims 4 Let's Play, but this time I'm actually me doing a makeup look. I know, wow, oh my gosh. As you can see, my face is literally broken out so bad. That is because I am a hormonal teenager. So, sorry about that. I know I usually have clear skin, but my skin's angry today, so bear with me. Please don't bully me. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday, like, grungy, edgy makeup. I wouldn't really say it's e-girl because, I don't know, I don't put on a lot of blush or anything. So hopefully this helps y'all. A lot of people get mad at my Q&A videos where I used to do my makeup saying that it wasn't a tutorial. But that's because it wasn't a tutorial. So this one's actually a tutorial. I don't wear fake lashes anymore. Well, I do sometimes if I feel like it. But I just like don't anymore. So this look doesn't have fake lashes, but if you want to add fake lashes to this look, you really can. I personally just haven't been because I'm trying to let my eyelashes grow, and I found a really good mascara, which I will get into. So I wanted to show you guys my new piercings. I've had them for a while, so I have this really cute nose ring. Sorry my hair is such a mess, I literally just woke up. Okay, well, that's fine, it adds to the look. Okay, I brought you guys a little closer so you can see my crusty, dusty face. So first thing I'm going to do is put on concealer. I don't wear foundation, but if you want to put on foundation, I'd put on primer and then foundation at this step. But I don't wear foundation, and I don't really use primer a lot just because I don't really use a lot of face makeup, so I don't really feel like I need it. Okay, so I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the satin finish. I wear shade Fair because I literally don't go outside. Literally, girl gets no sun. I tried, but didn't work. So basically I'm trying to cover all my pimples because I'm insecure about them. I'm just gonna pat this into my skin. You guys know how beauty blenders work. And if you don't, you just bounce it on your skin. I know a lot of my audience is younger, and you guys are probably experimenting with makeup. And honestly, just play around with it. Do what makes you happy, you know? Like if you want to wear bold eyeshadow everywhere, do it. I put on my concealer really aggressively, and I never noticed that. I swear my skin's struggling today, but I swear like my non-acne prone skin's very smooth. Hopefully I don't get wrinkles in the future. Probably will, but that's okay. So once you get the concealer on, I look a little ghostly mostly right now, which is okay. Usually my next step I would do is contour, because while I contour I gotta bake that ish, so then I gotta do my eye makeup. I use the e.l.f. contour palette. I don't know what shade this is in. It's light medium. It's kind of broken because I stepped on it. I use this brush. It looks really crusty because I use it a lot. It's a Wet n Wild contour brush. It's like angled. I need to clean it, but yeah. I go in with this like, it's not like it's like a cooler tone brown because I don't have warm toned skin, so I usually use cooler tones for my contour. And I contour my cheeks like up here and right above where my regular cheekbone is, so it makes my face look more defined because I have a very chubby round face. So I like to, or a trick is if you smile, do it up here much. You hear that hitting my earring? You know, get that double chin away. I'm trying very hard to get rid of it. It's a very big insecurity, man. I love how I'm sharing all of my insecurities with you guys. That's basically it for my cheek and chin contour. I don't do my forehead because I have bangs and you don't really see my forehead. But you can if you want to. You could do your regular contour, or you can do whatever you want. So I go in with this little brush. This is not by a specific brand or anything. It's just like this little tiny brush. Oh my gosh. Beauty guru. You know, it's like not too big. It's like a small fluffy brush. I'm going in with that same shade. And so I'm going to contour my nose. Contouring your nose, this is something I used to never do, but then once I started doing it, it's just a part of my routine. So I like to start with the tip of my nose, right here. And then I like to go up with 2 straight lines along the sides, right here. Sorry, my mirror is right over here, so I'm gonna be looking at it. And just put 2 straight lines at the top, and then connect it to where like your eyebrow point is, and just like blend that in so it looks more natural. And then I take my fingers and I just like blend it into my skin. We're also gonna bake it too, but I just do this so that it doesn't look super crazy right now. And then you take some more and you put a little line right here, and it gives you that button nose effect. It's very good for snatching your nose. I kind of already have like a upturned nose, but I don't have like a, I don't know. I just like to go in and define it and make sure these lines are kind of straight. You see? Just use your fingers to blend out stuff. So the next thing I do, oh my goodness gracious, what the heck? What the fuck? Sorry. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my powder, my setting powder. This is the Airspun powder. I just keep it in this little container because it's cute. And I'm going to take this Real Techniques powder sponge. It doesn't have to be a specific powder one. You could use a regular beauty blender if you want. I just have this one because I like it. Also, my beauty blender I use is also from Real Techniques. I really love their beauty blenders if you're looking for some good ones, which I'm pretty sure everyone knows about them, but if you don't, hop on the train. So I use the flat side, and I just kind of like cut that, and I do it on both sides. And then with this little like part right here, I do it on my nose, like this. And then I also set my under eyes while I'm at it. Now, okay, if you're wearing foundation, if you bake, it does look a little bit cakey, but where I just use concealer and it's like a hydrating one, it doesn't really get cakey for me with the products I use. But everyone's skin's different, so it might not work for you, but you can skip that step if you want. Okay, so while that's going on, go back with my concealer because we're not done with my nose contour. I like to take a little bit on this little concealer brush and some here, and just really, really snatch that. Gonna go back in with the contour powder and just like, not too much though. I just like to define this part. You see? Usually when I don't make it too dark though, because then I don't know. Yeah. I make no sense, but you see? Yes. Awesome. Now my eyebrows, I don't really care about that much because like, I have bangs. No one really cares about my eyebrows, but yeah. I use this Wet n Wild angled brush. I think it's an eyeliner brush, but I do use it for eyeliner sometimes, but it's I use it as an eyebrow brush. And for my eyebrows, I use the Too Faced My Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. And I use the shades Truffled and Hot Fudge. I mix those together because my hair is like medium brown, so I use those. And I used to use the licorice one when I had black hair, but now I use that one for like other stuff. So now that I've got that out of the way, I like to wet my brush and then dip it into the eyeshadows. I'm just brushing them out a little bit so they're like, the hairs are straight, so it's gonna annoy me. Pop a Brow Boss gel. I use it in the shade Soft Black, and I just run that through. The next step is to get rid of the bacon powder. Bacon. It sounded like I said bacon. This LA Colors blush. I've literally used this in every single video ever. It's in the shade Sweet Cheeks. Yeah, angle this upwards so you guys can see better. I use the e.l.f. like this eyeliner. It's like $2. It's really cheap. I'm gonna start by making the line outwards like this. And just connect it down. So it's okay if it's messy too, because also this eyeliner is dried out. Like that. I used to never do that with my makeup, but trust the process. Bottom lash line. You see, it's like, this is where the end of my eye is, and I brought it down a little bit. Triangle in the inner corner of your eye. You get a small fluffy brush like this and get some black eyeshadow. And we are going to pat it onto where the eyeliner was, and we're going to smoke it out, like around the edges. And then take it around the bottom of your lower lash line. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's in the shade Baby's Got Black. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. So if you don't like eye pulling, look away. Want to wear fake lashes and you love wearing fake lashes, go ahead and put those on. Because you're a bad bee, you can wear fake lashes. So you can add whatever to this look, honestly. So, my ride or die mascara is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's so good. It's honestly kind of expensive for me because I'm like really cheap for makeup, honestly. It's like $8, $9. It's with tax, it's gonna run you about 10 bucks. But trust me, this mascara is amazing. And that is with the mascara. Honestly, you can't really tell much just because of the amount of eyeliner I'm wearing, but that's okay. Get you guys back now. Okay, so the next thing I usually do is my lips. So for my lips, I usually use like a tan nude color, or if I'm feeling feisty, I use like a dark, like mauve red color, which I don't know what I'm feeling today. My two favorite lipsticks are these two CoverGirl ones. It's the 16-hour wear ones. They work really good. I use the shades 120 and 542. These are my two favorite shades. They literally last all day, like it's crazy. I just cover that little cupid's bow right there to make my lips look bigger. And boom. But that's not all, guys. The very last step is highlighter. I use the ColourPop Star Bright light sticks. I'll put that on my nose. It's right here. My cheeks. And right there. And that's it. That's it for my everyday grungy makeup. Honestly, I wear this makeup everywhere. It goes with basically everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. And if you guys try out this makeup look, let me know how you guys like it. I haven't done my makeup in so long. I'm like, sheesh. So basically for this video, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned because I have like 3 videos to film that I need to get out, so I have a lot more content out, and I love you guys. And don't forget to join my Discord. Go follow me on Twitch so you can catch me when I'm streaming games, and to go check out my merch. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I still can't believe I'm at 27k. Like, I'm almost at 28k. That's literally crazy. So yeah, bye.